Wow, what a big box. What could it be? What is this big box? It's a Bluetti. Bluetti has come. Big Bluetti. The big brother to EB70. The big brother has arrived. Wow. AC200 Max from Bluetti. Double boxed for your safety and the Bluetti safety. 220 to 240 volts AC. On the top, some paperwork. Official stuff. Warranty information. Guide. A bag. What's in the bag? Some cords and a strap around it. One cord for AC charging. One cord with the aviation plug with a XT on the end, and one solar MC4 with an XT on the end, and one car cigarette lighter charger with the XT60 on the end, or the XT90, I'm not sure. So there's 4 cables in a bag, and a charging brick, just like the EB70. A charging brick for the DC charging. Some nice foam protecting the big brother. Some silica gel. And here's the heavy. Oh! Here's the big boy. 60 pounds, I think it weighs. Wireless charging on top. For your phones, 2 phones. Can be charged. And there she is. 2048 watt hours of lithium iron phosphate battery with some 230 volt AC outputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, USB-A, 3 amp ones, USB-A, quick charge ones, 18 watt ones, USB-C power delivery 100 watts, 12 volts DC, the little 5521s, and here's the aviation out, which is 30 amps, 5 was the old AC200P. Now it's 30 amps of 12 volts and 10 amp cigarette lighter output there. Beauty. A beauty from Bluetti.